Hey guys, Chaz with Battleborn Off-Road here. Hey, I've got the new ARB twin brushless air compressor. Most of you are familiar with the original dual air compressor. This is a great unit. A lot of guys are running these. They've been running them for years. Very durable. This is kind of the industry standard. This new brushless compressor though, this puts out 50% more airflow, over 9 CFM. On top of that, it's got a lot of cool features. This is a smart air compressor. They've removed a lot of the bulkiness in the wiring, and they've also made this unit a little bit lighter. In addition to a 50% increase in output, this compressor also has a smart system in it. This smart system is going to provide active cooling, an electronic speed control, status reporting on an app, voltage protection, overload protection, and startup protection. All the relays have been eliminated, which makes it a lot lighter and easier to install. And my favorite part, it has a Camlock style mount that allows you to quickly install and remove the compressor from wherever you have it mounted. This compressor comes with a 3-year warranty. It's definitely something you should be adding to your off-road arsenal.